They say these words have healed the sick, silenced enemies, and unlocked spiritual gifts for thousands of years. But why is Psalm 6 known as the master key to divine healing and justice? And how can it transform your life today? Psalm 6 isn't just poetry, it's a spiritual weapon. In this video, we'll uncover the secret powers hidden within its ancient words. Powers that heal pain, protect against injustice, and calm the storm inside your soul. If you've ever felt broken, attacked, or unheard, Psalm 6 might be the answer you've been waiting for. Welcome to the channel, The Oracles of Wisdom, full of ancient knowledge, power, and unlocked secrets, where biblical wisdom meets modern life. Today, we're diving deep into Psalm 6, King David's plea for mercy during a moment of agony. But this isn't just history. We'll break down how you can use it today for healing, emotional peace, and spiritual strength. Stick around to the end. We'll show you a powerful ritual you can use tonight to activate Psalm 6 hidden energy. Psalm 6 is part of the first 25 Psalms, known as the Foundation Psalms. It's written by King David during a time of intense suffering. The subtitle in ancient texts, a prayer to ask for mercy in time of trial. This isn't just spiritual, this is survival. David doesn't hold back. He cries, pleads, even questions. And through that raw vulnerability comes power. Heal me, Lord, for my bones are in agony. Psalm 6 verse 2. This is the verse many healers and spiritual workers. These are the hidden powers and ancient uses. Psalm 6 has long been called the principal psalm of healing. Why? Because it's believed to provide rapid spiritual help, especially when spoken aloud near someone who is suffering. I will provide you with 7 hidden powers of Psalm 6. 1. Physical healing. Recite it 7 times by the side of a sick person to invoke divine intervention and ease pain. 2. Drives away sadness and despair. Used to stop uncontrollable weeping and emotional breakdowns. The energy of the psalm calms the soul. 3. Uplifts a tormented spirit. It brings inner clarity when you're overwhelmed by guilt, stress, or inner conflict. 4. Overcomes injustice. It has been used in spiritual practices to help during unfair legal trials or when you're falsely accused. 5. Confuses your enemies. All my enemies will be ashamed and dismayed. They will turn back in sudden disgrace. Psalm 6:10. 6. Awakens your spiritual gift. It opens awareness and intuition when recited with intention and stillness. 7. Rebuilds confidence in the divine. When you feel abandoned by God, this psalm realigns your soul to divine timing and mercy. Here's how to use Psalm 6 like a spiritual tool, not just a reading. This is your daily ritual. 1. Sit in silence. 2. Light a white candle. 3. Place a glass of water nearby, symbol of spirit and healing. 4. Recite Psalm 6 slowly, 7 times, focusing on the person or situation in need. 5. Afterwards say, I trust that my cry has been heard. So be it. Bonus tip. Play soft healing frequencies like 528 Hz in the background to amplify the emotional release. These are the power verses that concentrate Psalm 6 force. Recite them alone or repeat them throughout the day. Heal me, Lord. The Lord has heard my weeping. All my enemies retreat in confusion. You don't have to be anyone special or know anything. Just have faith to use this power. Today, people are using Psalm 6 for different needs. Here are some of the most important ones. 1. Heal from emotional trauma. 2. Overcome fear and anxiety. 3. Win custody battles. 4. Break toxic relationship patterns. 5. Stop insomnia. 6. Recover faster from illness. It's not just prayer, it's spiritual action. Tonight, if you or someone you love is suffering, don't waste your time scrolling. Don't get distracted. Sit down, light that candle. Read Psalm 6 with full presence. Let it do what it's done for thousands of years. Heal, protect, and restore. If this psalm spoke to you, share this video with someone who's going through a battle. One share could be one healing. Comment below with "Heal me, Lord," so we can pray and activate this energy together as a community. This was Psalm 6, Unlocked. In our next video, we'll explore the mysterious protection power of Psalm 7 and the ancient invocations tied to it. Don't miss it. Drop a comment if you've ever felt the power of the Psalms in your life. Let's keep the energy flowing. Until next time, stay mindful, keep shining, and be blessed.